Start with the name of Alan. Hello friends, my name is Fardeen. In this video I will teach you how you can swap your face into any face. It's super easy, so let's start the video. First, you need a Discord account. If you don't have, let's see how you can create a Discord account. Open any browser and search Discord. Click on the first link. Type your unique username and select your date of birth. The important part is you need to create a server. Click on Create My Own. Click on Skip this question. Type your server name. In my case, I will type Face DEEPFAKE. And choose Profile Picture. Click on Create. Click on Skip. And click Also Take Me to my server. Enter your email and password. Now this is the Discord dashboard. I provided a link in the description. Just copy and paste the same browser. Hit enter. Select the server that you created for DEEPFAKE. Click on Continue. Click on Authorize. And confirm whether are you a robot or not. Click on Go to Face DEEPFAKE. It will redirect to Discord dashboard. Now we will swap face. First, you need a face photo and type /save ID. And select the image. Should be high quality. And here type ID name. Remember this ID. And I want to remind you one thing. If you didn't subscribe to channel, please subscribe for this types of informational content. Let's back to the video. I will type VIN1 and hit enter. Wait a little bit. Now your ID is saved. Type /swap ID, select image, and type same ID that you saved. Hit enter. You can see that it successfully changed the face. I know there are some errors, but you can fix them in Photoshop. If you want a tutorial on it, you can comment. Comment is totally free. Friends, I hope you will like this video. If you want to see more interesting videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet me in the next video. God bless you.